Rap. Hello. Puntahan natin si Kawalwal Runing kag si Kawalwal Rosinda. Si eating ice cream here. Nautod ang vlog ko pag tawag mo. Nautod ang no gani. Gana, gala kataga ano.
Dapat na banta.
Namit ko ang popcorn sa ano. Hollywood Planet.
Yung Hollywood.
Yung sa ano, sa Oasis.
Ito doon. Ito yung gina-order, gina-capsas nila sa labas. Ang Hollywood.
Tapos?
Wala akong gastos lang. Ay, sila ginamlas yan eh. Yan.
Paano yun sila?
Relax.
Para sing ano, niya daw social sila. Kita.
Hindi ah.
Pero deep inside, wala. Unod ang kaldero ta.
Hindi naman sila on. Kasi sa yung mga meeting siguro nila.
Ang gano'n na meeting.
Hindi comfortable man meeting.
Dating meeting area. Dating area na dating.
Ano sila gali ha?
Okay, dating.
Dapat ka rin may banda.
Nadulong dating. Dito nga anta. Dito nga alusot to. Nga, dire man namin dire man namin mamonito. Nga. Damo na diting puset. Nga, dito ah. Nagulong dating mag-video ko. Madulom dating mag-ano ko. Tiri tao. Madulom da. Anong makuha ko sa din? O GT. Muna din namin mamonito kay way may gabantay. Mahulik na di ating basta magabi dilin. Damo di isda ya. Kaya nga pwede tayo magdala gali sa uli isang fishing agyo. Tapos mabakal ta sang shrimp. Ato ni ano? Ha? Kung wala shrimp pwede man manok. Ah, may bot lang kayo. Dito mata yapon po. Bundok tralala. Bundok ang tralala. Kaya natin. Kaya
Mia. Here. Why? I want.
Amo din fishing area gitingaw kay may mga ano
Ah?
fishing area. Yo. Kay may hurong daw hagdanan. Padala sa atin yung ano, pang fishing, ano nito diyo? Iyo, pwede ka di atin ya? This is a romantic place mga ka-Jokrats. This is Mia Park. A lot of park in Dua here. Pusok ng kapapon mga ka-Jokrats. Sarap nga ika-date dito. So nice place. It's a romantic place here. That is the Museum of Arts building mga ka-Jokrats. Kawalwa Rodin, Kawalwa Rosinda is walking here. Yes, yes. Oh, kag. Tuloy-tuloy na to. Matabo ka sa baroto. Pulit ha? Ay, nagkangkaw kung bakal nyo na ice cream.
Pwede siya ba? Ito din ang hinatag to.
Panyo.
Dito sa may fountain. We are here in fountain area.
Oh my god.
Naghangin na. No? Dapat hindi mahangin.
Pad sila.
pala siya, hindi no?
Wala. First time pumantigan dito sa dulo. Hasta lang kami dito.
Dili ka mo nag-ano, kaghagad sa kapla?
Yan, pero hasta lang kami dito. Wala kami dito kalabot.
Parating ako kumarinta kasang boat fishing araw. Yan yun. Pinta mo na ma-fishing. Ano fishing ka na yan. Mga dagkong isda.
Dapat nahihita to gila ba?
Pwede ka man nakapibli Ari si Aro. Look at a beautiful place here at Mia Park, mga kajukrats. You can unwind here and you can relax here and take a walk, have a breeze here. Yes, bro. It's too much relaxing here mga kajokrats. This is the Mia Park beside of Culture Museum. It's very nice to take a walk here. You can relax and you can breathe a fresh air here. You can take fishing, boat ride, or you can jogging, take fishing here. If you have bring some food, you can bring your food and you make eating here at the Bermuda grass. Na? Go? Half lanes, 2 lanes followed by Runila on the outside is now. It's bandirang tapos. It's running.
Gagawa na isang ano?
Kanyo
Tubig.
naman na.
Na-
Uwi na ko diya tugap.
Doon na butter. Tugang. Okay.
Ayun ka na. Dahil na. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa iyo.
Ambe.
Ay, kaya hindi ko kabuelo. Bukas na na eh. Nagragaak na na, gina eh.
Yeah.
Tingpim na ko. Na, nakata?
Tate.
By the way, at the here Kawalwa Roding and Kawalwa Center, they performing for the Tai Chi here at the Mia Park. Now they started now.
Tapos,
Look at that body. Look at that body. Work out. Work out. Look at that body. Work out. Oops. Yes.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
To release
It's
your
a
power
it's-
in your butterfly. To
It's a
release your
pre-
power in your armpit.
it's a freestyle. It's a freestyle.
Freestyle.
One. Walk. Two. Tuk.
You do this one every day for 7 minutes only as free.
you have panyo there? Itatay mo. I make pong it there.
Puro na lang ta.
You get... I will seek my pong it.
Every day you do
Oh,
like this for
Ito,
the
bidi nga isa oh.
food there. Please.
Kaya kami inom sa kuno.
No,
May inom sa kuno.
you can keep to your pocket. You do your Tai Chi every day. No.
Kaya lang. Okay.
Do Tai Chi every day. And to release your stress every day. Tai Chi. And do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4,
That's the Lampagakers movers.
6. To release your pain in your knee. And for 7 minutes only. And your tummy, it will be intact. You do like that, and that, and that.
So, the total is that. Okay. Da na, nakata? I'm just jogging, mga kajokrats. Jogging muna ako. Pangpatibay kay matanda na. Hindi na tayo makapan-chicks. Mga 2 chicks lang at isang chicks ayos na. Ting!
To release
Your otot.
your park every day. don't eat too much. And you do exercise for
Oh.
Tai Chi.
Oh.
Tai Chi. 1, 2, 3. Every day for Tai Chi. For 7 minutes. And this. Like that.
Okay, tako tuloy. Like this, like that. And then twirl.
And 12. And after that, Tai Chi, you eat
McDonald's.
McDonald's and French fries.
And Jollibee.
And Jollibee, it's okay. And burrito.
Nag-advertise pa ka mo mga bayad.
Yes. And burrito every day you do exercise.
Ha? Mauna ko kay. Ha?
Namin nagilipas ko ka.
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
This one? Sa ako? Kung labang yung mga t-shirt. Pero ngayon na labang. You do exercise every day. Tai Chi. Tai Chi. For 7 minutes or 10 minutes. 7 minutes every day.
17 minutes, 17 minutes.
Tai Chi. Like that. So, stomach in, stomach out. And you eat burrito every day. And to have moderately balance in your life.
Stop it now. Hey.
The vlogger is doing vlog to us. We're going there.
He's a paparazzi.
There is manga. There is manga.
Din manga.
Manga.
Look, there's a bee.
Oh.
So cute.
Ay, the bee.
There's a
The
bee.
bee.
That is not the bee, that is the horn of the bicycle.
No, there is bee.
Hey.
What kind of bee? Bumblebee?
Have it there.
Nayo, here's
Have the mango there. Mango tree.
It's not mango.
Oh, it's a park.
Mango tree.
Ting, tumbuy ito isa. Oh, lesbian tong isa.
No.
Na na?
I don't know.
Ari ang ako niya sa. Ari ang ako sa gitna yaw. Ari ang ako niya naka pink yaw. Daw mga grupo taga Batad man to. Ay, mayo pa di ka iting otro salbida. Ay, di kayo mapawa. Di na ako na ito din. Ah, ito na.
Dito sa kay Tato.
Uy na. Na, magwa na ta diyo.
Makaampat ang potato.
Nakaka-5 reals ang it's okay.
Why na da 5 real yating?
Ang potato first.
20, 40.
Kawis, umay ito kayo yan.
I'm enjoying take a walk here at Mia Park, Duha, Qatar, mga kajukrats. If you want to relax here, come here at Mia Park. It's a nice place here. You can unwind yourself and you can breathe fresh here, fresh air beside at the seaside. And here also at the museum, cultural museum, Doha, Qatar. Look at the green Bermuda grass here. A lot of tree and a lot of date fruits here. This is the national tree, national fruit of Doha, Qatar. The dates fruits. Look at a lot of bearing fruits. Oh. See, this is the national fruit of Qatar. Look at the fruits, a lot. He putting the meat. See, it's so much very sweet. It's like you eating like eating sugar. When you eating the dates fruits, it's like you eating the sugar. Sobrang tamis mga kajukrats, kakasawa sa tamis. Maganda lang pag manibalang, kulay dilaw pa, crunchy. Pero pag hinog na ang dates, sobrang tingaw, damo bunga tingaw ang dates ha, na makuha nila sang dates ha. Kita ba?
Hello. Husband, did you receive also paper bag? What he said about the paper bag, this is the most important thing. Oh my God. What we did?
Ako na pa ba ito? Kapa ba?
Alright.
Yeah.
Price box is there. The price box. There's burger.
I'm gonna buy here at Gelato Divino.
Gelato.
Gelato Divino.
How about sticker?
Arating nga try. Arating yung mais.
Sticker burrito?